Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley and today we're going to be doing one of my favorite videos. We are going to be unboxing and trying on my Stitch Fix. Before we jump into that, if this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, welcome. I am so excited that you decided to join us. As I said, my name is Ashley. I do tons of project panning and beauty content in general. So if that's something that you are interested in, you are definitely in the right place. And for all of my returning friends, welcome back. I love all of your faces and I am so glad that you are here. Now, if this is your first time with Stitch Fix, or if you've never seen anyone else talking about Stitch Fix, let me give you the rundown. This is a styling subscription service. It is mostly clothes, but they also have shoes, handbags, accessories, things like that. When you sign up for Stitch Fix, you go through a comprehensive style quiz where you get to tell them what you like, what you don't like, all of your sizes, your measurements, what you typically need clothes for. Are you going out? Are you going to the office? Are you sitting around your house? What is it that you want or need? And what are some of the things you really don't have a want or need for? It is very, very detailed, and you can go and you can update it at any time, which I really appreciate. Once you've submitted that style quiz, then you have a stylist that goes through and picks out 5 items that you might like and sends them your way. Now, you can also decide how often you want these boxes. You can get them monthly, every other month, or quarterly. I'm still set up on a quarterly basis because, let's be honest, I don't leave my house much, so I don't have a ton of need, but it is really exciting to get things that somebody else has picked out for you, because I feel like they're able to sometimes think outside of the ruts that we get ourselves into. So that is something that I absolutely love about this. When you do Stitch Fix, you do have a $20 styling fee. However, that $20 is then applied to anything that you decide to keep from the box. Anything you like, you keep. Anything you don't, you send back. They send you a pre-postage paid envelope. Makes it really quick and easy. And if you decide you like everything in the box, you get an additional 25% off of everything in there. So it's a pretty great service. Let's go ahead and see what I got, shall we? All right, so these are the pieces that I have been sent this month to try on. I'm not gonna lie, this color story super speaks to me. You guys may know I love jewel toned type of colors regardless of what time of year it is. So I'm really, really excited. And I'll be honest, this on the top here, I am really, really living for. This looks so pretty. It is just a t-shirt, but it has this beautiful, very big navy blue floral print to it. It is a nice airy type of fabric. Ooh, I'm looking forward to trying that on. I'm looking forward to that. The next item is this lovely burgundy. It's just a regular t-shirt with a little pocket here. It is by Marc Spruce, which if you have seen some of my previous unboxings, Marc Spruce is one of my very favorite brands that you get through Stitch Fix. So I'm excited about this. It feels really soft, but it's got a good kind of substantial feeling to the fabric. So really, really excited for that. We have another Marc Spruce, which appears to be an identical shirt in a different color. That's never happened to me before. I don't know how I feel about that. I mean, I could always use another easy to wear black shirt, but I'm really curious if these are actually the same. Let me look on the little tag. So that would be really weird. This is the Elaine pocket short sleeve tee in black, and this is the Elaine pocket short sleeve tee in burgundy. Interesting, interesting. All right, the next item here is this beautiful kind of burnt orange. Oh, I love the detailing on this, a little bit of a V here. Again, it's just an easy to wear t-shirt. That is really nice. I like that. Okay, and then of course we have some, well, I only say of course because I always tell them that I need jeans, but we do have some jeans here. Love the color. This is by the brand Can. Okay. It is a boot cut, which I do prefer. No distressing. Love that. Okay, let's go ahead and try this on and see how it fits and how it looks, and then try to make some decisions. So I'm starting backwards as far as what I pulled out of the box. So the first thing are the jeans. I'm not gonna lie, they fit really, really well. They have decent pockets. They're not as deep as I typically would love, but they are actual pockets, which, come on, when it comes to ladies' clothes, is a win. So I do actually quite like them. And this shirt, this is the kind of shirt that I would have picked out if I had been in a store. I really like it. I think the color is really good. I think it fits really nicely. It's not too baggy, but it's also not too form-fitting. And I think the color is fantastic. This is definitely a win. I really like it. What do you think? It's an easy black t-shirt. It feels really good though. It's a very deep, deep black, which I do like. It's very inky, but again, it's got a good sort of thickness to the fabric without it being like cloying or clingy. I think it falls really nicely, covers up the little tushy, falls at a good length without being like too low or too high. I mean, it's a win. It's just a black t-shirt, but it's a good black t-shirt. I hope that makes sense. Here we have the burgundy counterpart. I like it. I mean, like I said with the black one, I like it. It's a good quality shirt. I feel like it fits very well. I really, really like the color. But I mean, it's a simple shirt. I don't know really what else to say other than, you know, it's nice. I like it. I knew it. This is my favorite thing in the box. I really, really enjoy it. Like the material on here is really nice. It definitely has kind of a flowiness without feeling like I need to wear like a tank top underneath it. And I really love the color. I think it looks very comfortable, but also kind of dressed up a little bit. Like I could meet girlfriends for dinner and not feel underdressed. Like, I like this a lot. It hits at a good length. I think this is a real winner. I like this one the best, easy. All right, now that we have tried everything on, we come to what is arguably the least fun part of this video, and that's deciding what we're going to pay for. So when you get Stitch Fix, they do send this handy little pricing guide so that you can see the cost of each item and decide from there kind of what you want. And if you end up liking the entire box, then you do get an additional 25% off, which is pretty awesome. Now, also when you do Stitch Fix, that $20 styling fee is deducted. However, on your first initial sign up for Stitch Fix, if you use a code like the one that I have linked down below, you do actually get a $25 credit. So you basically get your first box at no styling fee. So if you decide you like it, awesome, you can go ahead and keep pieces from there. Or if you decide, you know what, it's just not for me, you're really not out anything, which I think is pretty awesome. So if you have not tried Stitch Fix and you've been on the fence about it and you would like to, you're more than welcome to use my link in the description box below. It gets us both $25 off, and that is pretty spectacular. So let's talk cost. The first thing that I know that I absolutely loved is this right here. This is from Fortune and Ivy. This is their Joanna Natural Button shirt in white, and it does retail for $40. And I'll be honest, when it comes to Stitch Fix, that seems pretty reasonable for what this is. I have had Fortune and Ivy pieces in the past, and I've really liked them. The quality has been really solid with them, and I'm someone that tends to keep my clothes for a long period of time. So if I'm going to spend some extra money on something, I want to make sure it's something that's going to last, and so far I've had a good experience with that brand. So that seems pretty much on par. What is more painful though is the other shirt that I absolutely loved, the first one that I tried on, this baby right here. This is from the brand Daniel Rain, and this is the Michaela split neck knit top in burnt orange. It is a size large and it retails for $54. That to me feels high for what I would typically spend on a shirt. So that has me a little nervous. Now, when it comes to the other two shirts, the two from Market and Spruce that are exactly the same but in different colors, the Elaine pocket short sleeve shirt in both black and burgundy, each of those retail for $28, which for Market and Spruce is on the less expensive side, and for Stitch Fix seems right on par with what I would expect from them. we'll talk a little bit more about this in a few minutes because I think I've already kind of come to a determination. And then finally, we have the pants, which fit really well, and I did like. Again, the brand on that is Can. It is the Ivy Bootcut Mid-Rise Jean in Navy, size 14. These fit really nicely. I did like them very much, and they're only $60. I say only because these are probably one of the least expensive pairs of jeans that I've gotten through Stitch Fix, and I wear my jeans pretty much daily. In fact, the jeans that I'm wearing today are from a previous Stitch Fix box, and they've all been really good qualities. Jeans are something that I honestly do not mind spending money on because I know how much I use them and I feel good about that. So what that means is that if I were to purchase everything in this box before any discounts, then it would come to $210. However, I do have my $20 styling fee that comes off of that, so that would drop it down to $190. I feel like that is a lot of money for 5 pieces. But remember, you do get that discount if you decide that you go with all 5. And here's where it gets a little bit tricky, right? Because there are many times when if you only like 4 out of the 5 pieces, it is a financially better choice to keep all of it because it kind of pays for itself. In this case, it's actually about a wash, to be honest with you. So I do really like the jeans that are $60. I do really like that first top from Fortune and Ivy. That was $40. And I hate to say it, but I do really like that orange top, which is $54. So that puts me at $154. If I keep the whole box with the discount and with my $20 styling fee returned back, it comes to $137. It is a better financial choice to keep all 5 items in this box. And I'll be honest, I'm not mad about it either. Even though it is honestly a little bit annoying to get 2 basically identical tops just in different colors, they're ones that will get a lot of use that I really like and that are very comfortable. So I'm really not that mad about it. So you guys might be shaking your head a little bit, but I think I'm gonna keep the whole box because at the end of the day, I liked all the pieces and they're pieces that I will wear again and again and again. And that's what I love about Stitch Fix. They typically pick items for me that get so much use in my closet. Like, it's ridiculous. I have been so happy with this service. Like I said, this is a subscription service, so you can certainly cancel at any time. You can modify your delivery. I only get mine quarterly, and I think that's why I get so excited about it because, you know, it's just something new and fun and works out for me. So if that is something that you would like to check out, like I said, I do have a link in the description box below. If you don't want to use my link, there are so many others out there. Feel free to use anyone's link that you want to. Just make sure that you're saving yourself some money in this. As always, everything that I am wearing is going to be linked in the description box below. And if you have not yet subscribed, I hope that you'll consider doing so. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I hope that you're having an amazing day, and I will see you next time. Bye.